Amazing morning, everyone! Pag-usapan na lang muna natin yung barley natin. Of course, alam natin lahat na flagship product ng IM Worldwide ang pure barley natin. Our pure barley is 100% organic, GMO-free, and of course, it's made in Australia. Ibig sabihin ng made in Australia po is talagang nandun yung farm natin. As we entered kanina with our intro, nakita nyo kung saan ako nagpunta, kung saan hina-harvest yung ating barley in the actual barley fields in Australia. It's beautiful, and someday I hope na lahat ng ating mga distributor makarating din doon. Hopefully, pag wala ng COVID and meron na tayong mga plano to bring our leaders to Australia. So let me tell you a little bit about how I discovered barley. I was diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer in 2001. And I was 30 years old at the time. And I was going through my treatments in West Virginia. And I needed to have chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Chemotherapy, as you well know, is the only way the doctors really know how to combat cancer. So, pag may cancer ka and bata ka pa, ang ina-assume ng mga doctor is that you have an aggressive kind of cancer. Kasi when you're young and you get cancer, mabilis mag-reproduce ang cells mo habang bata ka pa. So what happens is the tendency is for the cancer cells to eat your healthy cells faster than pag matanda ka na. So I knew that I would have to battle this cancer with all of my strength and with all of my spirit, my soul, and my body. And I knew that back then, my spirit was already very strong because of my faith in the Lord. Kaya it's so important na to have a relationship with God. Because if you don't have a relationship with the Lord, everything that you do in this world, ikaw lang mag-isa. Meron ka mang mga nagmamahal sa'yo, they don't have superpowers like the Lord does. So, the number one thing I always tell people is, the Lord has given us many ways to heal. But the most important way to heal is your faith with God. So, I just want to share with you na aside from my faith that was strong, my spirit was strong, my physical body, I believe, was strong because I would exercise almost 2-3 times a week regularly. Hindi po ako smoker, hindi rin ako umiinom except yung tinatawag na social drinking that I do, but that's all. Hindi ako malakas uminom. And aside from that, I sleep regularly. Hindi naman ako masyadong stressed. Medyo during the time, pero other than the normal amount, hindi naman siguro yung abnormal na tulad ng mga high-stress jobs na meron tayo dyan. Diba? Hindi naman ako yung investment banker or yung nagtitrade sa mga stock market na parang zigzag pag diba? Pagka sobrang na fail yung yung ininvestan mo, sobrang panic mode. So, I just had a regular job, as you well know, artista ako. So, when I got diagnosed with cancer, I was really shocked. I didn't know what to do, and the doctors told me na I would need chemotherapy, full-blown chemotherapy, and radiation therapy. For my chemotherapy, I needed 4 rounds. They gave me the most toxic chemotherapy there is kasi nga, I'm so young. So they wanted to give me adriamycin, Cytoxan, and a couple other chemotherapy drugs that basically are the most powerful that there are, that they believe na makaka-wipe out ng lahat ng cancer cells sa katawan ko. That was the upside. The downside is, because chemotherapy is so toxic to your system, it doesn't just kill all the bad cells. It also kills all the good cells, which is why most people who go through chemotherapy lose their hair, and then they turn grayish, and then yung mga nails nila nagiging very brittle. And last but not least, the worst is lagi ka nagsusuka because the lining of your stomach is also a fast-producing cell. So because of that, I decided that I would not just rely on my doctors, that we have a saying that knowledge is power. So how would you have power if you have no knowledge? Which is also what I tell people about our products. Kailangan mag-research kayo. You have to know what our product is. Attend all your knowledge, my presentations regarding our products para magkaroon kayo ng knowledge regarding sa mga binibenta natin, sa mga kliyente natin, and sa mga future distributors like yourselves. During that time, I learned that I could actually help myself by boosting up my immune system. Syempre, when your immunity is completely knocked out, you need to do something for yourself aside from yung mga sinasabi sa'yo ng doktor na gawin mo. Kasi nga lahat ng binibigay nilang gamot is toxic. Kailangan ng katawan mo yung toxic na yun kasi kailangan i-wipe out yung cancer cells. Pero at the same time, kailangan mo rin i-feed yung body mo ng all the nutrition that it needs at the same time para lahat ng nawa-wipe out na good cells nakaka-recover. And that is what I discovered barley does. So, for the past 20 years, every day, every morning, the first thing I do is I drink my barley. Why? Because kahit na magaling na ako, kahit na okay na wala na yung cancer ko, every day there's still stress in our life. Every day our immunity is still tested. Every day meron posibleng virus or bacteria na pumasok sa katawan natin. Like for example, now there's COVID, and COVID is really a very scary thing. Wala siyang sinasanto. Kay matanda, kay bata, kay malakas, kay mahina, everybody can be a victim of COVID. And our barley, that's exactly what it does. It prevents our immunity from dropping. And if your immune system is strong, then no matter what it is out there, you have the capability, your body has the energy and the strength to fight off all diseases. So, let me read to you a little bit, magpa-flash your screen, yung mga, what exactly our barley grass is, okay? It's called nature's potent alkalizer. Bakit? Barley grass is a nutritious food renowned for its alkalizing and antioxidant properties. It is made from young, nutrient-dense shoots of barley, which are harvested above the ground and ensuring that none of the grain is present. Bakit wala yung grain? Because yung grain po, a lot of people are allergic to that. Okay? So ours, basically, is walang grain. Grass lang siya. Since the allergenic protein gluten is only present in the barley grain, barley grass is gluten-free. Kaya ang daming nagsasabi, paano naging gluten-free barley? Kasi po, hindi siya yung wheat na hindi siya yung wheat na grain, but wheat na grass, barley na grass. Hindi siya wheat. Okay? So therefore, hindi siya gluten. Wala siyang gluten. Barley grass is a rich source of chlorophyll and with a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Ano naman na nagagawa ng chlorophyll sa katawan? Okay, chlorophyll, alam natin, we find it in plants, di ba? And ano yung ginagawa ng chlorophyll sa plants? Alam na natin yon. But what chlorophyll does for our body is, it's a natural deodorizer. Okay, that's one of the things that chlorophyll does. So in short, kahit di ka na mag-deodorant, walang mabaho, wala kang bad breath, okay? These are the natural things that chlorophyll does for you. Okay, the nutritional properties naman of barley. Barley grass contains every vitamin except vitamin D. Most minerals, especially calcium, and all essential and non-essential amino acids, all available in their natural and easily absorbable form. So imaginein mo ha, lahat na ng vitamins meron. By the way, since COVID, di ba? Zinc is one of the minerals that is available, that is in barley, and also vitamin C. So nagkakagulo ang buong mundo, naghahanap ng vitamin C with zinc. Ayan po, nandyan sa barley natin. It is readily available. The only extra vitamin you need to take actually is vitamin D. And guess where you can get vitamin D? Naturally, from the sun. So if you drink your barley every day and you spend 10 to 15 minutes under the sun every morning, you should have all the immunity you need against COVID. Okay, so 19 amino acids are found in barley grass, including all 8 of the essential amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, which are essential for continual cell building and regeneration, as well as energy production, immune function, and detoxification. Barley grass is actually about 26% protein, which is approximately the same amount of protein found in the same quantity of lean beef. So alam naman natin, ang beef is not so good for you. Okay? Kasi when you eat steak, for example, alam nyo ba that it takes your body 7 to 10 days before you actually can, anong tawag doon? When you can actually, not absorb, but when your body can actually process the meat that you actually ate. Kumbaga, it takes that long for your body to take it in, eat it, for it to be able to flush out of your system. It takes 7 to 10 days para bago ma-digest yung meat ng katawan mo. Ayun ang word, digest. Okay? So, instead of eating that, what you should be eating is more quality foods like our barley. Kasi mas madaling ma-absorb ng katawan with all the nutrients. Barley grass also contains a number of living enzymes and flavonoids that function as potent free radical scavengers. These compounds make barley grass a great nutritional supplement that provides antioxidants and anti-inflammatory nutrients. In fact, some studies show that barley grass extract may be very beneficial nutritionally for many health problems, including gastric ulcers, high cholesterol levels, and cancer. Alkalizing properties. Okay, what are the alkalizing properties? Barley grass is naturally alkaline. So, what causes sickness is acidity. Okay, if you're acidic, that will cause sickness. Now, barley grass is one of the highest alkaline products, or what do you call it? Vegetable filled with nutrition that there is on the face of this earth. So it helps neutralize excess acidity in your body. It's also a rich source of chlorophyll. Pag-usapan na natin yan. The green pigment that is necessary for making sugars by plants via photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is one of the most potent alkalizing plant nutrients needed to maintain in an alkaline body. So, kailangan natin ng chlorophyll for us to maintain an alkaline level sa katawan natin. Green barley also contains an array of alkalizing minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium, and zinc. Okay. Green barley contains high concentrations of naturally occurring substances with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Okay. So, ang number one na pinakamagandang, what do you call it, alkalizing property ng ating barley is ang tinatawag na superoxide dismutase. Okay? It's a living enzyme. Ngayon, itong superoxide dismutase, sa buong mundo, sa barley lang talaga siya nakahanap at those levels. Ano ba yung ginagawa nito? Tawagin na lang natin siyang SOD kasi nakakabulol yung superoxide dismutase. Okay, so ang SOD is the importance in the body is clearly demonstrated by a study which showed that mice as in daga, lacking the gene coding for SOD, died within the first 10 days of life due to heart attack. Fatty liver, accelerated age-related muscle loss, and metabolic acidosis. A deficiency of SOD was shown in another study to lead to widespread free radical damage, leading to the development of liver cancer later in life. So, itong SOD enzyme na to, ito po ay super important sa katawan. And that is why barley, our barley from Australia, organic barley, has the highest form. It's not just SOD that is responsible for green barley's potent antioxidant and detoxifying effects. One study shows that the complete green barley extract was found to be more beneficial nutritionally for rheumatoid arthritis than the consumption of only the isolated SOD. That means, hindi lang SOD, pero SOD in barley. Ang super galing. Okay? So, it's like magaling na yung SOD, pero pag nasa barley, level up pa siya lalo. Okay? At saka mahirap mahanap ang SOD on its own. You normally find it in food such as plants. Now, the beauty about our barley is that it's so concentrated. One sachet of 3 grams is para ka na kumain ng 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo na raw na barley. Depending on the amount of sachets that you drink per day. Diba? Okay, so, isa na tayo. This is most likely due to the synergistic action of various phytonutrients in green barley rather than just the SOD content. Another important compound found in barley is 2-OGIV. This was shown to inhibit superoxidized and hydroxyl radicals by 97 and 91% respectively. These are two of the main damaging free radicals in the body. It also contains protein functions P4D1 and D1G1, which were shown to have an anti-inflammatory action better than aspirin when given intravenously. Imagine that means that it prevents heart attack, it prevents stroke, it prevents aneurysms, all of the blood functions that normally cause these sicknesses, our barley can prevent. Green barley also contains anti-mutagenic properties, which means that components in barley grass are able to inhibit damage to the body by cancer-causing compounds. Chlorophyll may be partly responsible for this action, as recent studies have shown that it protects cells against radiation, supports blood cells productions, and inhibits cancer development. Okay, so, nung ako po ay nagka-cancer, the one thing that I remember very well is before I started taking the barley on my first chemo treatment, sobrang sama ng side effects sa akin ng chemo. To the point where para akong gulay for the next 21 days. And ang problema doon is once you have your first treatment, 4 kasi yun 4 rounds of chemotherapy. After you have your first treatment, pag hindi ka naka-recover by 21 days, yung white blood cells mo hindi nakabalik sa normal levels. Kasi wipe out niya yan Yung chemo mo will wipe out all your white blood cells. So, by the time you reach your 21st day, if your white blood count is not back to normal, meaning your immunity is still not okay, then the doctors will not give you your second dose of chemotherapy. If they don't give you your second dose on time, back to 0 ka na naman. So imagine kung 4 yung dose mo. First dose mo, binigay sa'yo. Di ka umabot ng 21 days. Yung white blood count mo, hindi pa rin nakaka-recover. So, hindi nila pwedeng ibigay yung second dose. So, ang mangyayari, wait nila until bumalik yung white blood count mo to normal. And then, they'll give you your first dose again. So, what happens kung panay hindi mo makuha yung second dose within 21 days? So, balik ka ng balik sa first dose. Number 1, mahal na. Number 2, sobrang toxic sa katawan. That's why I really researched. And this is what the beauty of our amazing barley has done. By the time I discovered our amazing barley, I started drinking it immediately. And upon my second chemotherapy, within 4 days, my white blood count was back to normal. Can you imagine? 4 days. So, if it's normally 21 days, 4, 8, 12, 16, how many? Within 5 days. Normally, di ba? 1/5 of that would have been the amount of time. But mine wasn't even 1/5 of the time. It was 4 days. So, in 4 days, what my body did was recover what normally took it 21 days. That's what our barley does. It's pretty amazing, don't you think? So, what can I suggest? All I can say is, now that I've told you about our barley, I think that you should be able to proudly tell everybody na I think that especially now during the time of COVID, it's important to take your barley. Not just once, not just twice, but 3 times a day. Better safe than sorry. Ako po, talagang, I'm basically one of those people na medyo delikado ang kalagayan ngayong COVID, diba? Kasi may predisposed sickness ka na, which with me was my cancer. But for some reason, the Lord has really prevented me from being sick. He's really prevented me from feeling not so well. And I have to admit, di naman ako nakakulong sa bahay all the time. Ako pa rin ang nagsusupermarket. Ako pa rin yung... I'm very careful, of course. Like everybody, wear your mask, wash your hands, wear gloves. Ako nga nag-gloves fest. Hindi gloves. Meron akong gloves, yung cloth gloves. Hindi naman kailangan hindi naman kailangan na medical gloves. Basta naka-gloves ka lang, when you go home, just remove them and wash them right away. Palabhan mo kagad. And wash your hands regularly. Wear glasses if possible kasi may ibang studies nagsasabi pumapasok daw yung virus through the eyes, through the liquid in the eyes. So wear your glasses, wear your mask, wear a shield if you really want to. Pero for me, there's no reason why you cannot continue to live your normal life. Hindi naman kailangan magkulong sa bahay 24/7. Also, drink your barley and you know that you will be a step ahead. So, I don't know if you can all hear me because I really don't see the comments and I can't see how many people are watching. But, okay, I see some. Ayan, merong iba, pero hindi marami. But, I would just like to tell you that I'm really proud to be the person that brought the original barley to the Philippines. Kaya siguro ako tinatawag na Barley Queen is because, yun nga, I was the person that was able to bring the product to this country first through the drugstores and then through our I Am Worldwide network marketing. And of course, I do not supply any other networking company except I Am Worldwide. I would like to clarify that because I know a lot of other companies still use my testimony to try to sell their barley. I only supply I Am Worldwide. Wala na pong ibang networking company. So kung bumibili po kayo under another company and they are trying to convince you that it's because of me that you will get well, do not buy from them. Only make sure that you buy from I Am Worldwide and make sure that whoever you're buying from has a distributor's ID. Okay? Meron na rin po kaming reports na may mga nagbebenta ng fake. So, I would advise you not to buy in Lazada or yung mga online companies because you never know if you're buying the original. Better that you buy directly from the company or directly from somebody who has a distributor's ID. That's the best way to go. Okay, so I just got a message na we have 1,100 viewers right now. I would like to welcome you all and say I am really, really happy na kahit di ko kayo nakikita or wala akong response from you guys na you are here and you are willing to learn about our product. And like I said earlier, knowledge is power. So please try to learn as much as you can about our products. Most of the things that you want to learn about our barley or acai berry are online. So all you have to do is Google and you will find it. Okay? Ayan, there. May cautions. Meron tayong nakitang cautions. Ano yung cautions natin ngayon? Meron ba? Caution. Green barley is a natural food and is not linked to any significant adverse effects. However, due to its detoxifying properties, it is best to start at a low dose and gradually increase the dose to avoid any detoxification symptoms. Common symptoms of detoxification include headache, fatigue, flatulence. Yung flatulence, ibig sabihin nun yung gassy, you become gassy, increased bowel movement, and water excretion. These symptoms should cease within 24 to 48 hours. Okay? However, many people do not suffer from detox symptoms at all. That does not mean you're not detoxifying. It just means na wala kang symptom. Parang yung sa COVID, asymptomatic ka. Okay. So ensure you drink plenty of filtered water and eat a healthy diet to support your body's detox efforts. Barley grass is a rich source of vitamin K, which is an important vitamin for blood clotting. Therefore, it's important to discuss this with your doctor if you are taking blood thinning medications. That's the only time na kailangan mong mag-isip or mag-inquire sa doctor mo is kapag meron kang mga blood thinning na ginagamit. Aside from that, anybody from birth to old age can take our barley very, very regularly. There's no problem with that. Many people ask me, bakit po meron akong nararamdaman na ganito or meron po ako biglang breakout sa muka or allergic reaction. Relax, it is just a process of detoxification. I always tell people, better to have it come out than to keep it inside your body. Kasi pag nakakulog yan sa loob ng katawan ninyo, eventually, magiging sakit yan. And who knows, baka maging malala pa, like cancer. So to prevent any of those things, what you have to do is detoxify. And like I said earlier, detoxify by starting with 1 or 2 sachets per day and increase 3 to 4 days later. You can start taking 3 sachets. And kung meron po kayong nilalabanan na sakit like cancer or diabetes or high blood pressure, then you can drink as much as you want. In fact, walang maximum dose ang ating barley because it's 100% natural. So I think we're pretty much done with our barley talk.